Let me show you briefly how I trade the 200 exponential moving average rejection. So here we have the GBP card on 2nd of January 2025, right? Now let me introduce the time frames. So here we have the GBP card on 1 hour time frame with Hakenachi candlesticks. I also have a 50 exponential moving average on this 1 hour time frame. The next is the 4-hour time frame. I have the 50 exponential moving average on it with normal candles, right? Then the next is another 1 hour time frame with 50 exponential moving average and 200 exponential moving average with normal candles. Apart from the first 1 hour time frame that has the kinetic candles, the others have the normal trading candles. Then I have the 30 minutes time frame with 50 and 200 exponential moving averages. Then we also have the 15 minutes with the 200 exponential moving average, the 50 exponential moving average, and the 15 exponential moving average. So the 15 minutes time frame is what we are going to use for taking our entries. Then lastly, we have the 5 minutes time frame with the 3 moving averages we have on the 15 minutes time frame. Now, how do we take entries? So what do we look at to take a trade on this 200 rejection trading strategy? Now, the first thing is I want to see at least 2 time frames from the 1 hour to the 5 minutes with 200 moving averages rejection. So in this case, we have a rejection from the 30 minutes and we also have a rejection from the 15 minutes. So we have at least 2 time frames with the 200 exponential moving averages rejection. Right. Then the next thing is I also want to see at least 2 time frames with moving averages alignment. That is, the 200 is below, sorry, the 50 is below the 200 for a sell and the 50 is above the 200 for a buy. So in this case, we have at least 2 time frames with the moving averages alignment. That is 200 below, 50 exponential moving average below 200. So we have on the 5 minute, 15 minutes time frame, we have it on the 30 minutes time frame, and we also have it on the 1 hour time frame. Right, so we are good to go on this. Another thing I also want to check is now having this rejection, then we also want to see that is when the 1 hour time, the 4 hour time frame comes in. We want to see price below the 50 exponential moving average on 4 hour time frame. So while all this rejection, while this rejection is happening and confirmation of the moving averages alignment on the 4 hour time frame, we want to see that price is below the 50 exponential moving average. Then lastly, on the Heikinaichi time frame, the 1 hour time frame, we want to see that price have rejected the 50 exponential moving average on the Heikinaichi. So if you have all these criteria met, all you need to do now is to take the entry. And how do you take the entry? You wait for price to close below the 15 exponential moving average after the rejection on 15 minutes time frame. So our entry is going to be here. That is it. So our entry point is as price close below the 15 exponential moving average. The 15 exponential moving average is a green moving average. So you take your entry here, stop loss above this high, then you decide your take profit. But 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio is fine for this setup, right? So that is a simple way I trade the 200 exponential moving average rejection. I can give some other examples. So here, this is the GBP card. Here we have AUD CHF. On AUD CHF, the first thing, as I said, this was 6th of January. We want to see at least candle rejection, 200 moving average rejection for from 2 time frames. So we have on 15 minutes, we have on 30 minutes. Next thing, we have to see an alignment. So 50 above 200 for a buy. So we have it on both 15 and 30. Then another thing I want to add here that I missed on the first one is that if there is no alignment of moving averages on the 1 hour time frame, there must be alignment of moving averages on the 5 minutes time frame. If there is alignment, there's no alignment of moving averages on the 5 minutes time frame, there must be an alignment on the 1 hour time frame. So take note of that. So here there is no alignment on the 1 hour time frame, that is 50 above 200, but on 5 minutes you can see 50 is above 200. It is compulsory, although there are setups that may go like that, but this is a rule for this setup. So you can see price rejection from 50 on the Kinachi time frame, price above 50 on the 4 hour time frame. We are good to go. So this is another setup on the SZD USD happened on 8th of January 2025. So you can see a rejection from at least 2 time frames. So we have for 30, 15, and 5 rejection. The next thing have alignment we have on 5 minutes, we have on 15 minutes, at least 2, and we have confirmed that there is no alignment on 1 hour time frame, so we have it on 5 minutes time frame. So then price below 50 on 4 hour time frame, price rejection from 50 on 1 hour Kinashi, then price close below the 15 on 15 minutes time frame, then you go for a sell. So these are some example. GBP USD on the 8th of January, same thing. We have AUD JPY on the 10th of January. Then we have so this was the setup on Euro NZD on 13th of January. So here you can see that price was not below the 50 on 4 hour time frame for a sell, but it moved well. So, but I'm not advising you take it. Let price confirm that price is below 50 on 4 hour time frame before you go for this sell. This is another example of price not being above for a buy, so ignore this. This is just to show you possibility that sometimes price go well, but for you to have confidence of the setup, make sure price is above 50 on the 4 hour time frame. This is another one, GBP JPY on the 24th of January. Then we have CAD JPY on the 27th of January. Then we also have here AUD JPY on the 5th of February 2025. So that is it. Take your time to understand this strategy, then apply it on your demo account to see if it suits your psychology, and if it does, then you can move into trading it in your real account, right? So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Right, so I wish you all the best in your trading career. So you can join my free Telegram group with the link on the description of this video. below. Thank you.